everybody, it's our maths time again, and we're going to carry on with subtraction. Now that you know how to take away ones and how to take away tens and all those methods that we looked at yesterday, we're going to have a look at subtracting 11. So now we've got to start looking at taking away tens and the ones. So if we do start with 34, take away 11. So first of all, we're going to use our concrete again, just like we started with yesterday. And hopefully you all saw that I put on a picture resource yesterday so that you've got pictures that you can cut out and laminate or whatever of the deans that we're using in school. So I'm going to make the 34 first of all, like we've done all of the other times.
Should we count them while Miss Eckett's doing it? Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, stop. Oh, well, what do we need next?
I'll tell you what I've forgotten, Mr. Neeson.
Oh, what have you
I've forgotten to actually talk about that number first.
Oops.
Because there are 3 tens and there are 4 ones.
4 ones.
So I'm going to get my 4 ones. So everyone help me count on from 30.
So we're on 31, 32, 33, 34. And remember to stop as well, don't keep counting.
Don't keep counting. Right, so we've got our 34. So what we're going to look at now is the 11 that we're going to take away. So in 11, we know that there is 1 10, and we've also got 1 1. So what we're going to do is first of all take away the tens, and then we're going to take away the ones. So I'm going to take away 1 10, which is 10. So I'm going to take that off there, look. And then I'm going to take away a 1. And that leaves us with 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. So I'm sure you've noticed now that because we have taken away a 10 and taken away a 1, that this time it affects the digits in both numbers. We had 3 tens, but now we have 2 tens, and we had 4 ones, but now we have 3 ones because we've taken that 11 away. So when you've used the concrete, we can then use that again to do a jotting.
I can just imagine Penny already saying, I don't believe you.
I don't believe you. Right, let's have a go. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we are. So we've got our 34, and I'm going to cross out a 10, and then I'm going to cross out a 1. And so that leaves us with 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. And then that takes us to our empty number line. Now, mums and dads, what we do find with this is when the children come to do this on the number line, if it is a little bit tricky, it's a really good idea to do it alongside the resource, the concrete resources, because they can see what you're doing on here and how it's exactly the same as what we did with the concrete apparatus. So if I put those back on a second, I'll show you what I mean. Right, so we've got our 34, and we're going to put 34 at the end of our number line. Remember that when we do subtraction, we count back because the numbers are getting less. So the first thing I'm going to do is to take away that 10. So here we go, I'm going to take that 10 away, and then I'm going to show that on the number line. So a big jump for a 10, take away 10. Then when we look at 34, we're going to look at what digit is going to change and which digit is going to stay the same. We're taking away a 10, so we know that the 4 is going to stay the same, but 3 is going to change. We're not going to have 3 tens anymore, we're going to have 2 tens. So 1 10 less than 34 is 24. Now what we've got to do, we've done the tens, so we need to look at the ones pile again, and we're going to take away 1 1. So let's take that away from here, and then I'm going to show that on my empty number line. So I'm going to do a little jump, because we only took away a little 1 this time. So then we look at 24 and think, well, what digit is going to change this time? We're not taking away a 10, so that digit this time is going to stay the same. So it's the ones digit that's going to change. So 1 less digit, 1 than 4 is going to be 3. So 1 less than 24 is going to be 23. And now I think that Penny Prove It will be very happy because we've proved it in 1, 2, 3 different ways. So what I'm going to do now, everybody, is I'm going to do another video, and now once the children have explored being able to take away a 10 and then a 1, we're going to take away any 2-digit number because they'll know how to work with the 2. So you can have a go with some of these. In fact, shall I write some on the bottom just here now? So 54, take away 11. 63, take away 11. 75, take away 11. Big numbers now.
Ooh.
11. Shall I do a 90s one, Mr. Heaton?
Ooh, what do you think?
Oh, yeah.
I don't know, I don't think you'll catch our class out. Yeah. I know what these year 2s have got it, I think they have.
They have. Right, 42. Take away 11. So we've got 6 there to keep you going while I do the other video, and then I'm going to send out a sheet where you can practice every bit of subtraction that you've done so far. All right then, so see you soon. Bye.